Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Orgie All Natural Intimate Gel is a range of water-based intimate gels formulated with natural ingredients and free of paraben, silicone, liquid paraffin, glycerin and sorbitol, while its plant cellulose thickening agent ensures the compatibility with all types of skins. All Natural Intimate Gel is designed with Orgie's quality excellency to enhance intimacy, promote comfort and contribute to sexual wellness and pleasure, whether partnered or solo. This line comes with 3 products for your choice. All Natural Aqua delivers heightened levels of comfort and enhanced sexual pleasure in every move through its smooth and silky property and long-lasting effect, a truly pleasurable and wholesome experience. All Natural Ultra Slide is less dense than other intimate gels. Its carefully crafted formula strikes the perfect balance, enabling smooth and effortless movements without compromising the sensations that make intimate moments truly extraordinary, promoting wetter and more comfortable sex thanks to its ultra-sliding long-lasting effect. All Natural Strawberry is set to delight the senses with its irresistible combination of natural strawberry flavoring ingredients and its scent and smooth, long-lasting performance that can only take you into a mouth-watering, intimate experience. All Natural Aqua and Ultra Slide are fragrance-free, and the 3 of them are non-sticky, easy to clean and wash out. If you are looking for quality water-based intimate gels made with natural ingredients, All Natural is your ideal choice. Thanks for watching us, goodbye and dare yourself.